Alcohol is a powerful drug. As a child, I had no idea why my parents were so joyful and scatterbrained at night before bedtime. A young child so innocent and naive. It made me happy that they seemed so happy, until I found out that other parents weren't like them. My daddy was my biggest hero, my #1 fan. The proudest I could feel was the times when my dad would say, "Great job, honey." My mom was closest to my sister, but she would do anything she could for her children. We did not always get along, but my dad and I were two peas in a pod. I knew that I had forever friends in both of them. It was not until I was almost an adult at 17 when I found the problem. Beginning to lie, beginning to hide, making us question. I had no idea how powerful alcohol was. I blamed my mom. I needed someone to blame. Losing their marriage, the house, his job, my life as I knew it was over. I didn't know them anymore. I couldn't understand how my mother could leave the love of our lives. If he loved us, why wouldn't he stop? Deeper and deeper and deeper we fell, and it was only one person bringing us down, who hit the bottom. I blamed my mother. For all my sorrow and pain, my anxiety, my depression, the uncertainty I felt for these emotions, I had no control. I blamed my mom, my best friend, my encouragement, my teacher, and we crumbled until I found the strength, and I allowed the bud inside of my heart to bloom, and I forgave. It was not until then that I understood. The person I hated, blamed, fought, destructed, and hurt was the one who was carrying us so strong. My mother, who took care of us and could not hold the weight of the disease anymore, and it wasn't even hers to hold. My mother, who has held me endless nights crying. My mother, who would do anything to take the pain away. My mother, with the greatest resilience and most amazing strength, despite a damaged past. My greatest role model, who houses the biggest heart and the most beautiful soul. My mother showed me how strong I could be. And as I am growing, my anxiety is slowly dissipating, my fear is subsiding, and my love growing, all because of my mother. And for that, I am forever grateful.